10 Health Benefits of Apple Cider Vinegar. Certainly. Here are 10 potential health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Weight management. Apple cider vinegar may aid in weight loss by reducing appetite, increasing metabolism, and promoting fat burning. Improved digestion. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can help improve digestion, alleviate bloating, and promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Blood sugar control. Studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. Heart health. Consuming apple cider vinegar may have a positive effect on heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and improving blood pressure. Antimicrobial properties. Apple cider vinegar possesses antimicrobial properties that may help inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria and fungi, potentially aiding in preventing infections. Skin health. Some people use apple cider vinegar topically to treat skin conditions like acne, sunburns, and eczema due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Hair care. Apple cider vinegar can be used as a natural hair rinse to remove product buildup, restore shine, and promote scalp health. Alleviates sore throat. Gargling with a mixture of apple cider vinegar and warm water may help soothe the sore throat and provide temporary relief. Natural teeth whitening. Apple cider vinegar, when used in moderation, may help remove surface stains on teeth, leading to a brighter smile. Nutrient absorption. Some studies suggest that consuming apple cider vinegar with meals may enhance the absorption of certain nutrients like calcium, iron, and magnesium. It's important to note that while apple cider vinegar has potential health benefits, individual results may vary. Additionally, it's always recommended to dilute apple cider vinegar, as the high acidity can cause tooth enamel erosion or irritation. If you have any specific health concerns, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before using apple cider vinegar as a remedy.